Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this video is about teaching your children self-care. This recipe is for ages 4 and up. This recipe is sponsored by Magic Spoon. I found their cereals to be the healthiest and tastiest on the planet. It's about snacks and healthy snacks, and about your kids being able to make it themselves without you, because you might be busy, you might be working, or it might be very early on a Saturday morning and you just want them to get up and watch cartoons and make their own little snack their own little way, and they might be very young. Busy moms with busy households often have no time, not even to take showers and all that, because that's the kind of mother I was. I had 3 kids. They were all young and they all popped up about the same time. This recipe is like one of my lunch bunch videos that really helps with kids learning how to make their own food, their own lunches, and in this case, their own snacks or breakfast. A key to having your kids feed themselves in a healthy way is to have things on hand that you approve of. And you need a lot of choices. On hand in your refrigerator, just keep some healthy fruits that are washed. You don't want any pesticides. You want your kids eating very healthy. So this is blueberries and raspberries today. I also like to keep the little containers of milk. This is a sturdy glass jar, and these little milk bottles will work. Or just use a carton that you keep in your fridge and put it on the lower of your refrigerator door. I will keep little bowls, and in this case, it's a glass sturdy bowl, but you could have some drawer in your kitchen that your kids can reach, and everything in that drawer, you tell them that's for them, for when you want a snack or you get up early and mommy's not quite there. My kids were able to press on the TV and hit the Barney button, and they got to watch something fun while they had their morning early. I needed my rest. I let them figure out their morning cereal without me. That was priceless. I always threw a blanket in front of their TV. That was their camp out spot. And if they made a mess with their milk or their cereal, I would just take the blanket and wash it. Maybe a beach towel works in your house. Magic Spoon's boxes are all bright and beautiful, which is attractive to children. I would always pre-open the box and put a clippy on it. A clothespin works just fine, because they can undo the clothespin and open the bag you've let open only so far for a less spillage factor. And with a little carton of milk you've pre-opened, or a lid they can manage to open, they can pour and they have control over their own milk. And if you have some fruit that's easy and that's in the refrigerator sitting next to their milk, they can add their fruit to the cereal. And you know that this is going to be a healthy beginning of their day or snack after school. Every cereal from Magic Spoon is gluten-free, grain-free, 0 sugar, and very high in protein. Oh my gosh, and it's crunchy and tastes great. Wow. All the ingredients are good ingredients. The sweet taste is from monk fruit. Even dry, it's a great snack, even for adults. When I'm on a diet, I will keep bags of this around to snack on, because it tastes sweet and it's delicious and I know it's healthy. All these Magic Spoon cereals are very, very high in protein. Every box contains more than a dozen eggs worth of protein and fewer net carbs than a typical fruit smoothie. The flavors I have here are the fruity. They remind me of Fruit Loops, but they're not. Peanut butter, frosted, and oh yeah, the cocoa. We have back to school coming up, and these make great snacks for their lunch to eat dry on the playground. For snack break, because of the high protein, it's going to keep them going during math or other challenging scholastic activities. It'll keep up their energy so they can do a good job at school. Another thing I love about the Magic Spoon brand is the beautiful boxes, because on the back they have all these interesting things and activities for your kids to do, just like when I was growing up. One of the things I loved to do was sit at the table and just read the back or the front of my cereal boxes. Didn't we all? Some of the boxes have mazes on them. Oh boy, that maze for me, that might be a 2 cereal maze. And I love the find the words on the circus box. Then they tell you what words to look for, and they're all fun words. On the back of the cocoa box is a finish the story. This gets their mind thinking. Magic Spoon has really figured it out for nutrition and for a lot of fun for your child. Click link below to get Magic Spoon. I love this brand, and I hope you do too. Or write me a comment about what's going on with your kids or getting ready for back to school and how it's going for you this year. Are they going to go back to classes? Are they doing more stuff at home? What's going on in your neck of the woods? I'm Rebecca Brand, and thanks for watching this video. And if you're a mom or a dad out there and you're raising your kids, check out some of my other healthy school lunch videos and other things of parenting tips for your child and your family. I hope it might help some young families. I had to learn a lot of life's lessons in the playground. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And in this case, it's a recipe for an independent young child, you know. But are we all young kids at heart? Yeah. Snack break. If you like this video, there's my lunch bug series right over there. And also a lot of healthy meals for young families over here too.